Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go hiking and I decided to take some photos. I'm gonna be taking photos for my photography class with my photography camera. So that's all we're gonna be doing. Well, I'm gonna be doing. So, yeah. Okay, so we're here. We're at the place where I'm gonna be taking photos and hiking. Okay. So I've been taking photos and they're turning out pretty good, and so I'm trying to take some photos for a project that I'm doing, and the project is like framing and following lines in photos. So that's what and it's like the lines are pretty great because of all these trees like in the back. But yeah, so that's what I've been trying to do, and I'll put in the photos like I did last time, just like I'll put them in like the middle all at once. So hey guys, so we've been hiking for a while now, and we've been taking a lot of photos, like a lot of good ones too. We've been taking a lot of good ones too, and right now we're running away from our mom, rip. But yeah, she's down there. Where's she at? A little mean moment. Just kidding, we're not actually leaving her. But yeah. So the photos actually turned out pretty good. Not gonna lie. What? Is that, what was that? Oh, okay. But yeah, we're just getting our exercise. Hey guys, so we've just been taking like photos, a lot of photos, and we just took some really good photos of her, and they turned out really good. Ew, my hair looks so bad. We just took some really good photos of her, and we're not done yet because we still have a lot more. And look at how pretty it is here. It's really nice here, and so we took some really good photos. We made some TikToks. And yeah, so we are just gonna start hiking down now. Hopefully take some more photos for my project because I need more. And that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so we're hiking down and we're about to be done. And we're about to like reach the end. So I might take a little more photos just to get some more to put in. But yeah, I'm going to put in all the photos for you guys to see, because a lot of them turned out really good, but some of them didn't. But I'll just put them all in anyway.